Hey guys, we're back. Today I'm gonna go in GTA 5 and fly with the jet because I stole another one, and we're gonna do a lap with the jumbo. I'm sure I'm gonna crash. That's the video today. Tomorrow the next video will be on GTA Online. Come on, open. I can enter the airport. Why don't just open it? What the box is that? Okay, let's try first with the jet. I want to do that thing. Holy shit! Holy shit! I'm not gonna forget this forever. What the hell? What the hell? The car is crashed. The car is crashed. Look. It's that. It's not moving. It's the jump. It's moving, guys. Holy shit. No wheels. Oh, look at the car. Oh, it's so nice. I'm not moving. Help. Somebody help me. A plane crashed me. Come on, it's so slow. This is the first car I make it like that in my life. Goodbye, car. I'll tell you to put it here. Here, put it. Goodbye, car. I love you so much. Yeah, but that's just the last thing. Holy shit. Yeah, please come, cops. I want you. Yeah, we had 996. I am a cop. Yeah, please, a cop, help me, please. 2 stars, I don't want them to shoot me. Help, guys. I'm a cop, come and help me. Hey, you. Come and help me, don't go. Just stop. Yeah, please, just stop. I want your car. You have to stop. Yeah. What? What the hell? I'm gonna call a cab. Hey, you, I see cab. Please, don't leave. Please don't leave. No. Bring me here. Yeah. No. I saw. Here. You have to bring me here. Oh, thank you. Car. I love cars. Have you a problem with me?
Pathetic. Every show you do this. No, I'm sorry. You know the rules. Sorry, everybody. See, we're vibrant liberals. We love each other, but we've got massive egos, so we can't quite get along.
Shut up. No, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I have to run. I have to run. I'm sorry, guys. Holy shit. Please help me. Oh, let's go to our jet. My little jet, little jet. Holy shit. The first time, it was so funny. Goodbye. Nice flight. Oh yeah. My little new jet. My little new jet. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna crash it today. Oh yeah. Like yesterday. Whoa. Holy shit. I'm gonna do a cheat. The plane is not crashed. Today, my friend told me a cheat. I left the jet in the hangar. I know how to do it. I'm doing that. Okay, I do it. Now we're going to find our jet. Come on, call the cabs.
Thank you, Cab.
Stay where you are. I got a driver right around the corner.
Appreciate it.
If that cab don't come, I'm gonna launch him. Where's the cab? Oh, hey. Don't scare it. I'm not going to kill you. Don't scare.
Hey, my man, where you going?
I'm not your man, okay? I tell you that last time. Tell me another time, my man, and I'm gonna kick your ass. I tell you. Holy shit! 2013 Cup. No exit? Oh, look at this. I want to fly with my jet. I don't want to crash it. I'm not sure the cheat was correct, but we're gonna see. Oh, sorry. How the hell he's on the car? Where's the hunger? Yeah. Oh yeah, that cheat work. Come on, we have a plane to destroy it now. There you are. Oops. I'm sorry. Oh, look at that plane. I'm gonna follow it. Come on, plane. Or I think I have to destroy it. Goodbye, little. The plane is gone. What the fuck? Come on, who wants to play with me? Yeah, come on guys, we need backup now. Come on guys, where's the backup? I'm sorry, plane. No, I don't want to crash it. Okay, I think it's the time for losing the cops. I don't want to crash it. We're going down. Let's go back to Hunger Air Base. Okay, where's the fucking airport? I want to land here, not you. I tell you, I want to land. Holy shit, what the fuck is going on? Holy shit, what the hell happens? The car do a backflip? I want to lose the cops. Okay, this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye. No, a second. Before we goodbye. Now, thank you for watching and goodbye, guys. Holy shit! No! Look at that little cheeky bastard!